2 streams on a Thursday in a row. Well, meaning I streamed on Thursday last week. I'm streaming on Thursday this week. This is going to become a current thing here. I plan on playing more and more, actually. But we're doing Risk of Rain today, so sorry if I don't look directly at the camera. I just feel I should let people know that. We're doing Risk of Rain 2 here, where my whole goal is just to get better at Monsoon, honestly. I have only one character skin so far, that being the Commando, which I don't feel is good enough, so I need to get better. So Monsoon it is, and then we're gonna just get good. So I just got a new loadout piece for Wally here is what I'm calling him. I don't know if that's the way to go, but we'll see. I want to get good, though. That's the whole goal. This, too. Pretty much, if I have the skin for the character, I'd like to have all their things unlocked before I get the skin. So, still would need to get the killing an overlord here. Imp overlord, nah. This one I got none. 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 Loader, I got everything, so I could do Loader, but I suck with Loader. Final blow on a scavenger. That's not too bad, I mean. Visit 10 different environments in a single run. That's not too bad either. I mean, those are both doable, honestly. But I do those on easy. But then again, why would I do it? Alright, we're gonna get good with the Commando. I know he's just generic astronaut guy, but I like generic astronaut guy because I'm generic astronaut guy, really. So we're gonna be Commando. We're gonna get it going here. We're gonna get good at Monsoon. That's the whole goal of this. Get good at Monsoon. Teleporter's over that way. How did I miss this right away? So once again, I'm not great. What do we got over here? That's not what I want to see. Health kit. Teddy bear. You always take the teddy bear unless it's a ukulele option. Oh god, this is bad. This is really bad. Oh, nope. Turned out okay in the end. Alright, well that's unfortunate. Alright, deal extra damage to bosses. I can get behind that. Ooh, a key. I want to get this one more. I saw one over here. I mean, it's no ukulele, but I'd like to buy this, and then I'll activate the TP. I don't know what I just did there, but I'll accept it. I mean, stop it. You're not the boss. Oh, there's a lot of crap going down here. Regen that health! Oh god. Oh god, I'm gonna die. I don't want to die. Yeah, this is going just as well as I hoped it would. I mean, we're gonna get good eventually. It's a long start. It's been a while since I played Risk of Rain 2, though. When I say Risk of Rain 2, I mean actually a monsoon. I do have the skin, though. I'm excited. I like that I have the skin. I do really like the skin, too. I wish they'd make action figures, honestly. I'd buy these boys in a heartbeat. But yeah, the whole goal, once again, is to get good at playing this game, so I feel like I need to just go down the line and start with a Huntress right away. Like, I feel like this is the way to start. Is go from her and then move on with my life. Because I already got Commando complete. You know, so that's important. Commando's done, so I think it's time for Huntress. Get good with the Huntress. Get her, two things here done. Not actually, because I'm only gonna get one done. I like that she auto-attacks, though. Alright. Pretty much just, on controller, just hold the stick. Or hold down the trigger even though there's nothing to shoot. Oh, that wasn't nice. Ooh, that's not a ukulele. Well, I already found the teleporter. Hey! Stop it. Uh, that still didn't go good. The name of the game is just to get better. Remember that. Just get better. Just keep getting better. I feel like that run would have been better if I had got a better teleporter spawn. I'm just gonna keep blaming the game because I'm just terrible at the game. So that's the honest way to go about it. I mean, just blame something else. That's the American way right there. I mean, there's the teleporter. Can I keep it? I wish it would keep marked. hear bad things. Oh, there's one. This guy's stuck. Hey, come here. Thank you. You gotta be kidding me. Hey, you! I'll come back for you. Hey, look, stuff. Ooh, ukulele? Oh! Yes! Hey! Stop it. Alright, it's time to start hitting the road, Jack. What we got here? A banner maker? Dagger. Dagger, I guess. Except... Hey, can I get something other than a Beetle Queen? No, that'd be ridiculous. Like, what do you expect, Damien? Oh, they dropped a coin. Must get coin. Worth it. Oh, well. Now it was easily worth it, I mean. Let's get the coin. I got the coin. We got here equipment. Ooh, this is not a good thing to click on, but I'll click on it anyway. There's another one. Oh, that's a Shrine of Blood. I like that. Give me money. Oh, I didn't even pick the one up from the last round. Map. Whatever you want to call it. What was that? Oh, hey! Is this another one? What is going on? Oh, that's not what I wanted actually. That's not what I wanted at all. That's a Shrine of Blood again too. I don't want that either. I want items. Where are the items, game? Well, I don't think I have this maps thing, so. But I need items more than anything. What is happening? Where is everything? I guess I'll have to accept this. Like, I don't think I had that, so you know that's cool, I guess. But that's still not items like that I need. Alright, there's an item that I can actually use. Equipment or this? Equipment first. Alright, let's get out of here. Where's over here? Oh no! Oh no! Oh crap. Hey! Stop. This is nice, actually. Like, I'm doing it. Oh no. Oh! Hey! Stop it. Oh god. It's kicking off! I don't know if I hit any of those, but that's okay. It's a thought that counts. Oh, that means going supernova. Oh, we're good. Oh, he's doing the thing. He did it. Oh god. Oh, he's going all bad. He's going bad. He's good. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Oh! Oh, I killed him before he could do it. Hey, stop! That went way too long, but the thought is, I killed him. Hey! Stop it. I got him. I could really use a teddy bear game. Ooh, sunglasses. I mean, that's okay. I can deal with using one dagger. Oh, meat! Oh. Oh, does this thing get used up eventually? Like, is that a be gone thing? That's unfortunate. Managed to get one of the worst pieces of equipment then. What we got over here? Nothing of value. You guys wouldn't have happened to see anything like a value around here, would you? I hear bad things. Oh god. I see bad things. How much money does this guy want? I can take the time to farm a little bit here. How much are you? A little bit more. Hey. This is gonna kill me. I'm already calling it. Piece of meat! Oh, I already had a couple. Never mind. Is that a chest? I'll go ahead and take this here chest left, and then we'll make our way out of here. Oh, a crowbar. Oh, this is... Oh, God! Oh, God. This is not great. Like, everything is kicking off. Y'all need to stop. Like, dang. I'm gonna die. I'm in danger. No, I just healed. Stop it. I killed him. Do I risk it? Ah. Did I not get it? Okay. I was gonna say, there's only death that can come from this, but at least on the bright side, I'm getting better. Oh, God. Hey. Oh, yeah, I'm dead. 100% dead. Alright, well that was my biggest problem, ironically enough, and it's dead now, so... I didn't even look how much they cost. Oh, God. Oh, God, no. Oh god. He's still immune. That's okay. I don't exactly want to go over here, but I think I'm gonna have to. Oh, this is not good. Okay, we're okay. We're okay. We're okay. Oh god. Oh god, the damage. Yeah, that was my own fault for trying to beat him, and it was worth it 100%. So that was a much better run. We're doing another run then. Oh, god, that run was good though. If only I didn't do the stupid thing and go in there. Like, that was going great. Alright, I'm gonna cheese this run a bit. And then this one's gonna be the last run of the night. So hopefully we have a good run. Get away from my item! No, I missed it! Y'all need to get out of here. teddy bear, don't take my meat. You took my meat. Oh, that was a flub on my end. Oh, oh. Oh, well, I said that was the last run, so that is the last run. So, hey, go check out my YouTube channel, The Far Off Show, on YouTube. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can just click on, there'll be a link on the web page of my channel, so click that. If not, if you're watching this on Twitch, it's probably somewhere on Twitch, so give it a watch. Have a great night.